Hello and good morning, friends. And today is 18th June. Time is now 11:30, and we can see a sharp fall in Nifty. A very healthy correction, actually, it was. Okay, so why I am preparing this video at this time? Because you also know that at this time I don't create any videos, but probably this is the right time uh, when I can convey a few words with you, few ideas with you, and which are going to be very useful to maintain your portfolio, right? So point number one, the fall and the rise both are the part of the market. It is the default nature of the stock, right? The stock market. So first of all, we all have to accept it. I have seen already many rises and falls in the stock market, and you also have seen, right? So now, number one point is you have to accept both the bulls and the bears. Both are correct in their ways. Number two point is, whenever you pick a stock the way we used to pick, okay, we from last 1.5 year we have never ended up in loss in any swing trade, or in any positional based trade, or in any operator based trade. The reason is, maybe in future we may take some stop loss, I don't know. Now, what I'm trying to say at this point is, whenever picking or selecting the stocks for your portfolio, this video is for swing traders and short-term traders and mid-term traders. Okay, so whenever you are trying to pick stocks for your portfolio, you have to see, whenever it falls, does it have sufficient potentiality to bounce back or not? For example, let's say at one hand you have ITC, in another hand you have Reliance. So which one you will select? Obviously Reliance, because Reliance has potentiality not only to bounce but also to break the previous high. It should be fundamentally strong. Not only that, it should be technically strong. This is highly essential. So always avoid those weak stocks which are just rising due to some news. Okay. Because once they will fall, they may don't have that potentiality to again reach that previous highs or lows, previous highs. Okay, so पैसा फंसने का chances है. There is a good chance your money will got blocked there. Now comes to point number three. By the grace of God and by our hard work, all our members already know this, कि we are very good in following operator positions. We are very good in doing swing trades. We are very good in when to the finding the levels, when to accumulate, when to book profit, when to swap the stocks, and when to exit. My point of saying is very important for all the swing and the short and mid term traders in picking the stocks that I have already told you. Number two, penny stocks. Okay, don't pick the penny stocks. Try to pick the bunny stocks. What is a penny stock? 5 rupees, 4 rupees, 3 rupees, 10 rupees wale stocks. Okay, few are with good fundamentals, I agree, but few are with average or below fundamentals. So try to avoid those stocks. Bunny stocks means, see, when the bears are more aggressive than the bulls, then what what usually going to happen in the market is, when bears are more stronger, okay, the stocks at high levels used to fall with higher momentum, right? So never ever, this is my personal suggestion, not to follow the news channels. The reason is, usually I have noticed one, a very common factor in all the trades which are being suggested by the news channels, that is, they usually provide the entry points at very upper level after the breakout. My concern is, my point of saying is, if we will buy at such a higher level, then there is a chance when bears get aggressive in the stock market, then the higher level stocks will show large momentum, which may affect you emotionally. Always be with the stocks. I mean your entry points. Your entry points in any stock should be either at mid level or lower level. Let's say for any bad news, a fundamentally strong stock is now at its lower level or at its mid level, and there is a good price action pattern there. Okay, so that is the chance you should enter there, and those are known as bunny stocks. Okay, this is the difference between penny stock and bunny stocks. So at right time, what will happen? These bunny stocks will fly like anything. We have already seen like in Global Spirit and all those stocks. So how to pick the stocks? You understood, and which factors are very important when you select a stock apart from those technical thing. Okay, apart from the technical thing, which stocks to so we even there are few stocks when where if you are going to accumulate also you will not be in profit. Okay, so try to avoid those kind of stocks. Always try to find and collect to be in those stocks only where the potentiality of bouncing back is very high. Okay, 6 days fall should be cracked by one day only. This is very important. Okay, and for intraday traders, for now, try to avoid intraday trading at this particular level. You can see in my screen, these are the supports. It's trying to take the support at first level, and it have consecutive levels in Nifty, right? So there is a chances ki at any point of time, let the bulls and bears fight. Okay, then whoever will win, we should go with them. We should reposition our stocks in that way. But for now I am bullish because to fly market have to be light. The retail traders have to be kicked out from the market. Then only the operator will take advantage of the market. To move upside it have to be light, right? And market was already tired, running, making higher highs from last many days. So this is the right time key market should give a correction, make the volume down, cut up the volume, and the retail traders who are meant to be killed, who are coming with those option things and intraday things and those are who have investment at higher levels. So market will definitely try to hit their stop losses. It is very important for the market. So now what market will do? Market will cut off many positions definitely. Then it will test the previous breakout that we have already discussed in our yesterday live discussion, and after that only market will fly again towards it high, and I'm very sure it will break the previous high also. I'm 80% sure as of now. Okay, till any bad news will not come. In HDFC Bank, stay careful. If you have any position in HDFC Bank, try to book the profit or make the position very light. Okay, keep the fund unallocated so that at lower level you can buy any other stock on Monday or Tuesday. There is nothing to hurry. Weekend ahead, so enjoy, stay safe, bindas. Okay, meet you soon, catch you soon. Goodbye. Jai Hind.